Today's our topic is property for partition under Hindu law. Partition is an act by which a co-partner severs his relation with joint family. And loses his status of co-partner. The essence of co-partnery is unity of ownership. No undivided member in the co-partner. No undivided member in the co-partnery property has any specific share in the property so long as the family is joint. An important consequence of such partition is that the share of co-partner or co-partners seeking partition, which is still partition uncertain, fluctuating and unpredictable, becomes specific and definite as a result of partition and thus allotted to the respective members. Today's our topic I will discuss property incapable of division and rule of partition of such property. Property to which the rule of primogeniture applies can't be divided. Example, a Raj. Nor can family itas and place of worship be divided. Certain kinds of property are by their nature indivisible. Example, animals, furniture, etc. Their value may be determined and distributed among the shares of some of those property may be enjoyed by co-partners jointly or by turn. Under the category properties like wells, idols and temples are included. According to Manu, a dress, a vehicle, ornaments, cooked food, water and female servants, property distinct for pious use and sacrifices and a pasture land are indivisible. Thus, there are several kinds of property indivisible by nature in respect of which an agreement has to be reached so that they remain in the common use for all co-partners. For example, staircase, courtyards, tank, road rights of way and the like are incapable of valuation or division. Thank you.